teaching you how to make a Christmas decoration. First you will need string, a piece of paper, scissors and sellotape. First you're going to fold a little piece of the paper just like this, and then we're going to flip it over and keep on doing the same. So we're going to make like a fan until the end of the piece of paper, and we've got to make sure that this is the same size, or about the same size. And once you've done that, step 2 is we're going to get the stapler and we're going to staple it right in the middle. So step 3, we are going to get the scissors and we are going to cut off a round piece of the end of the fan. And we're going to do that on the other side as well, so that we've got 2 round edges, so like this. So for step 4, we'll need the stapler again, and we're going to get both sides of the fan and put them together. Then we're going to make sure we staple them together instead of separately. So we're going to get the stapler and staple that. So for step 5, we're going to repeat it on the other side, and we're going to staple this together. And then after you've done that step, you should end up with this. For step 6, you're either going to need a hole puncher or the scissors to cut a little hole in it. And we're going to just put it right in here where you want the hole. So that you've got a little hole in there. Step 7 is about that we're going to put a piece of string through the hole. And then we're going to make it into an X shape. Put that under. And tie that through, and if you have trouble tying, you can just wrap that around, get some tape and put it right there, and then put that up and around. So this should be your final product, and if you want, you can put glitter on it, and this is your decoration ready to go on your Christmas tree. Merry Christmas!